Yo, what's up, fam? Sneak Geek back. Sorry it's been so long since we posted the last video. Things just kind of got busy. Life got a little bit crazy. But we're back today with another box opening. Today I got some Nike Court Legacies. These joints are a little bit different from the ones that I posted in the past. They're the Nike Court Legacy Canvas. So yeah, let's take this box, open it, and check these shoes out and look at them, see what the differences are and whatnot. Oh, these is fire. These is so fire. So right off the top, I already noticed a couple of differences. The courts, those were most definitely all leather. These are going to be more of like an upholstered feel throughout the whole thing. I like this black swoosh on here that kind of complements this off black that the shoe is. Fire. This like cork wood on here, it just sets off the whole shoe. Like I love, it's literally the only color on the shoe. Like, I usually can do an all black shoe, but I just love how this just sets it off. I wish they would have did the gum bottom on these joints, just like how they did the Court Legacies, but I can't be upset. On the back they got the Nike, logo on there. It's a little bit different from the Court Legacies. The courts, they go straight up and down like this. The canvases, I can already tell they kind of tilt in a little bit that way. Looks like it got the same soles as the Court Legacies. These are fire. I'm actually really excited to wear these. Just like the courts, the Legacies, they're a real simple shoe. Honestly, I kind of feel like these are the shoe that you want to wear when you are being lazy, when you don't necessarily want to have your shoe game popping, but you also want people to notice that you got on some nice shoes. It's like, I ain't no slack, but I'm just being lazy today. These joints retailed for $60, I do believe. I used my little credit that I had, got them a little bit cheaper. They were like 45 or something like that. It's a fucking steal for these shoes. They last, I shouldn't say I know how long these last. Court Legacies, the original ones that I got, those things are still holding up. They got a little bit of heel drag on the bottom, but honestly I think that's just because of how I walk. But yeah, $45 for these with my credit that I use, $60 retail. I'm super happy with the purchase. Oh look, these ones, how the Court Legacies had the cerulean ones had the white strip on there, the tan ones had the white ones had the tan on there. This black one got the black stripe on there. 3 different blacks, but like they always do, they always go with each other. So yeah, really happy with these ones. Again, these are the Nike Court Legacy Canvas. So don't get them confused with the originals. Sneak Geek out.